As you can see, I took the wheel off and now the brakes are accessible. This is your rotor, your caliper, and inside the caliper are your brake pads. I'm going to go ahead and replace the rotor. It has over 150,000 miles on it, plus as you can see it's pretty unsmooth. You want the rotor surface to be smooth, and most places do not turn rotors nowadays. So I went ahead and got a rotor. This is your rotor, and this is your caliper, and these are your brake pads. These are the three main parts of the brake system. The caliper, as you can see, there's two pistons. Sometimes there's only one, but these two pistons will come out and press against your brake pads, which press against the rotor. The next step is going to be taking off the caliper here, and that will be the next step. Okay, the next step, the third step, would be taking off the caliper, is where I left off. And normally there's two bolts on the back of it that kind of come off. These were 15 millimeters, but they all come in different sizes. But this is pretty standard, 50 millimeter, half inch. So we took off, I loosened up, took off the bolts in the back. Now I'm going to pop off the caliper, and I'm going to use a crowbar in order to pop off the caliper. And after I get the caliper, it's pretty heavy, so I'm going to tie a coat hanger to the spring up here, so there's no tension on this brake line, which could actually crack or start rupturing, which you don't want to do that. That's a whole different ball game. So anyway, let me take off this caliper. Let me show you. She's out here. And here we go. We got the caliper, and the brake pads are in it.
How did you get out here?
And that's what we got.
Come on. Oh.